Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Moncton Unleashed, where I talk about local and upcoming events, real estate news and tips, and local business news and more. I am your East Coast Realtor and host, Craig Powell. Today I'm going to talk about the upcoming Canada Day celebration in Moncton, a little bit about the importance of home inspection, some exciting news about a new rooftop patio in downtown Moncton, and as always, hang in to the end for one of my good news stories. Okay, let's get right to it. For my first topic today, I want to discuss an essential aspect of buying or selling a home, which is home inspection. Whether you're an experienced homeowner or a first-time buyer, understanding the importance of a thorough home inspection is crucial. Now, what is a home inspection? For those that do not know, a home inspection is a professional evaluation of a property's condition, from the foundation to the roof and everything in between. It is conducted by a licensed home inspector who examines the various systems and components of a house. Now, you may be wondering, why is a home inspection so important? First and foremost, a home inspection helps uncover any hidden issues or potential problems within a property. And while a house may look beautiful on the surface, there could be underlying issues such as structural problems, electrical or plumbing issues, even a mold or unwanted guests living in your home. A comprehensive inspection can help reveal these problems. Another significant advantage of a home inspection is the negotiating power it provides. If the inspection reveals significant issues, you can use this information to renegotiate the price or ask the seller to address the problems before closing the deal. This could potentially save you a lot of money in the long run. Now, keep in mind, a home inspection is not just about financial considerations. It's about also ensuring the safety and well-being of your family. Identifying safety hazards such as faulty wiring, asbestos, carbon monoxide leaks, all this is crucial for a healthy living environment. Moreover, a thorough inspection brings peace of mind and knowing you're avoiding potential future problems. So now that we understand why home inspections are so important, let's talk about the home inspection process itself. The first step is to hire a qualified home inspector. Look for someone who is certified, experienced, has a good reputation. You want to ensure that they have the expertise to identify any potential issues accurately. Once you've found an inspector, schedule the inspection at a time convenient for both parties. It's important to be present during the inspection so you can ask questions and gain a deeper understanding of the property's condition. Remember, the inspector works for you, not for your realtor. Now, on the day of the inspection, the inspector will thoroughly examine the property. This includes checking the foundation, roof, electrical systems, plumbing, HVAC, insulation, and more. They will provide you with a detailed report that highlights any issues that are found. Now, if you're the seller, there are a few important tips to keep in mind when it comes to home inspections. When selling your home, consider getting a pre-listing inspection. This proactive approach allows you to identify and address any issues beforehand, making your property more appealing to potential buyers. Plus, it can help you set a fair price and avoid surprises during the negotiation process. In conclusion, a home inspection is a vital step in the real estate journey, whether you're buying or selling. It provides you with crucial information about the property's condition, helps you negotiate, and ensures the safety and peace of mind of everyone involved. So remember to prioritize a thorough home inspection and make informed decisions. Okay, let's talk about a huge local event. The City of Moncton's highly anticipated Whoa Canada celebrations will once again take over Riverfront Park on July 1st. Get ready to enjoy a free party featuring electrifying entertainment, games and activities for children, mouth-watering food, fireworks, and more. Throughout the day, Moncton's Riverfront will be host to various activities for all ages to enjoy, including the Kids Play Zone, and it's sure to get the whole family in a celebratory mood, with food vendors, inflatable games, partner activities, and much more. Family-friendly entertainment on the Riverfront Park stage will run from 12 p.m. till 4 p.m. Now, new this year, an artisan village will be set up along Downing Street, and it will feature local artisans selling their handmade products. Don't forget about Larso the Solar Butterfly. He'll make a special appearance at Moncton's Canada Day celebrations. Larso is the world's largest solar-powered vehicle. The Woe Canada main stage, which will be located in the riverfront parking lot, will be presenting amazing performers, including headliners Sloan and Lay Hey Babies from 5 p.m. till 10 p.m. Once the applause for Sloan is quieted, the crowd's attention will be directed to the river, where the Tri-Community Canada Day fireworks, a presentation of the City of Moncton, the Town of Riverview, and the City of Dieppe will begin at 10 p.m. Get ready for an unforgettable Canada Day on July 1st. Okay, let's talk a little bit about local business. The Canvas Hotel, which is located in downtown Moncton at 55 Queen Street, just opened the Powell Urban Rooftop Bar and is located on the 9th floor. I had the opportunity to explore this great spot during an eXp Realty event with my fellow New Brunswick Realtors. I found the service to be extraordinarily exceptional. They offer everything from handcrafted cocktails by local mixologists to elevated shareable bites. And don't forget the unbeatable view of downtown Moncton. Be sure to check out the patio this summer. And finally, our good news story of the week. In a fascinating incident, a Nova Scotia woman experienced an unexpected turn of events when she returned from her shopping trip to find her car mysteriously absent from the parking lot. However, the truth behind the apparent carjacking was far from what it seemed. Surprisingly, it unfolded as an unusual case of mistaken identity when another driver unknowingly parked their identical vehicle next to hers. He unintentionally drove off with her car. The bewildering part, somehow the stranger's key FOB miraculously worked with her vehicle. Fortunately, the story took an unexpected twist when the bewildered driver realized the mix-up. Displaying admirable honesty and a strong sense of responsibility, he diligently tracked down the rightful owner and promptly returned her car, and even went the extra mile by ensuring the fuel tank was fully topped up. True to the generous spirit often associated with the maritime region, the woman graciously reimbursed him for the gas. This remarkable tale serves as a reminder of the unpredictable moments that life occasionally presents us with, and the profound kindness that can arise from even the most peculiar situations. Well, that's it for me, folks. If you liked today's video and want to see more, please like and subscribe. And until next time, take care, keep exploring.